Prince Harry, once a beloved royal, has found himself embroiled in a legal battle that threatens his very presence in the United States. The controversy stems from his candid revelations about past drug use, detailed in his memoir, Spec, and a candid Netflix series. These admissions, while captivating audiences worldwide, have ignited a firestorm of debate concerning his immigration status. At the heart of this legal drama lies the Heritage Foundation, a conservative think tank with a history of challenging liberal figures. The foundation alleges that Harry's past drug use, which included cannabis, cocaine, and magic mushrooms, constitutes grounds for denying his visa application. Their central argument hinges on the stringent requirements of US immigration law, which mandates full disclosure of any prior drug use. The Heritage Foundation's lawsuit, initially dismissed in September 2024, gained new life following the inauguration of Donald Trump. The former president, known for his vocal disdain of the Sussexes, has publicly questioned Harry's fitness for US residency. His return to power has emboldened the Heritage Foundation, who see this as an opportunity to expose what they believe to be preferential treatment granted to the prince. This case has thrust Harry's immigration status into the spotlight, igniting a global conversation about immigration, celebrity, and the limits of privacy in the digital age. As the legal proceedings unfold, the world watches, captivated by the unfolding drama and its potential to reshape the future of a prince far from home. The legal battle over Prince Harry's immigration status escalated on February 5, 2025, in a Washington, D.C. courtroom. Judge Carl Nichols presided over the hearing, where lawyers for the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, presented their case against the release of Harry's immigration records. The Heritage Foundation, represented by lawyer Samuel Dewey, argued vehemently for full transparency, insisting that the American public had a right to know if the prince had received special treatment. DHS lawyers, led by Bardo, countered by asserting that releasing the documents would constitute a breach of Harry's privacy. They argued that the disclosure of such sensitive information could set a dangerous precedent, potentially jeopardizing the privacy of countless individuals in the future. Judge Nichols, known for his measured approach to high-profile cases, carefully considered both sides of the argument before issuing his ruling. In a decision that aimed to strike a balance between transparency and privacy, Judge Nichols ordered the DHS to release redacted versions of 3 key documents by March 6, 2025. These documents, expected to shed light on the specifics of Harry's visa application, are being eagerly awaited by media outlets and legal experts alike. However, Judge Nichols also ruled in favor of the DHS on one crucial point. A 4th document, deemed to contain highly sensitive personal information, will remain sealed. The release of these redacted documents is expected to provide crucial insights into the intricacies of Harry's immigration journey. While the full extent of their contents remains unknown, their unveiling is sure to intensify the debate surrounding Harry's past, his immigration status, and the potential political motivations driving the case. At the heart of this legal battle lies a fundamental clash of ideologies. The Heritage Foundation, a bastion of conservative values, argues that Prince Harry's past drug use disqualifies him from residing in the United States. They point to his admissions as evidence of hypocrisy, accusing him of benefiting from a system that would show less leniency to ordinary citizens. Their lawsuit, framed as a fight for transparency and equal treatment under the law, has resonated with those who share their skepticism of the elite and their alleged disregard for the rules. On the other side of this legal divide stands the Department of Homeland Security, tasked with upholding the integrity of the US immigration system while safeguarding individual privacy. Their defense of Prince Harry hinges on the argument that past drug use, even when disclosed, does not automatically disqualify an applicant from obtaining a visa. They emphasize the importance of context, suggesting that Harry's youthful indiscretion should not define his present or future. Adding fuel to the fire are the political undertones that have come to color the case. Former President Donald Trump, a vocal critic of Prince Harry and his wife, Meghan Markle, has not hesitated to use this controversy to further his own political agenda. His pronouncements on the matter, often laced with his trademark hyperbole, have served to amplify the conservative narrative of a double standard that favors the wealthy and well-connected. The case has also drawn attention to the role of the Biden administration in this saga. While the White House has maintained a diplomatic silence, refusing to comment on the specifics of an ongoing legal case, conservative commentators have been quick to accuse the administration of protecting one of their own. They point to the perceived closeness between the Sussexes and the Obamas, suggesting that political pressure may be at play behind the scenes. As the legal battle over Prince Harry's immigration status rages on, the world waits with bated breath to see what the future holds for the Duke of Sussex. The potential outcomes of this case range from the inconsequential to the life-altering, with far-reaching implications not only for Harry's life in America, but also for the broader conversation surrounding immigration, celebrity, and public scrutiny in the digital age. One possible outcome, albeit unlikely, is that the judge rules in favor of the Heritage Foundation, forcing the DHS to release all of Harry's immigration records unredacted. Such a decision would be a major victory for the conservative think tank, validating their claims of government secrecy and potentially exposing embarrassing details about Harry's past. It could also set a dangerous precedent, eroding privacy protections for all visa applicants and discouraging candor in the application process. More likely scenario is that the judge upholds the DHS's right to redact sensitive information, releasing only a partial picture of Harry's immigration history. This outcome would be a partial victory for both sides, preserving some degree of privacy for Harry while offering a glimpse into the inner workings of the visa application process. The redacted documents, however, are likely to be subject to intense scrutiny, with every word and omission analysed for clues about Harry's past and the government's handling of his case. Perhaps the most significant implication of this case lies in its potential to reshape public perceptions of immigration and celebrity in the United States. Harry's story, once a fairy tale romance, has morphed into a cautionary tale about the perils of fame, fortune, and the relentless glare of the public eye. His legal troubles serve as a stark reminder that even the most privileged individuals are not above the law, and that the pursuit of personal happiness can come at a steep price.